Hey everybody, according to the Department of Energy, Angie, and the National Association of Homebuilders, you're only going to get about 10 to 15 years out of that refrigerator. Well hey, here's 5 simple steps how to get the most out of that ain't so cheap refrigerator. How well this refrigerated box of goodies lasts is really going to depend on how well you take care of it. Before I get into this, let me start off with a bonus. Listen, you need to look and see if your refrigerator is on any kind of a recall list. If it is, repairs or replacement is absolutely free. Now, the biggest and most obvious thing is you gotta clean the coils down near the compressor area at least once a year. Dust accumulates and insulates and makes the whole thing work harder. Next, clean, maintain, or replace your gaskets periodically. If you ever notice fungal growth, that's an indication that the gasket around the door is warped and cold air is escaping, allowing fungal growth to occur. Make sure you check the gaskets around any through the door features, like on an ice dispenser. Next, you need to pull that thing off of the wall. It needs to breathe. You'll also need to replace that water filter periodically, so watch for the red light. And lastly, don't overstuff this thing. Don't make it work harder than it has to. Now, all these things really cost you nothing, except the filter, of course. So now you are empowered, and go get 'em, you refrigerator ranger.